Ever wanted to browse TikTok in peace without your friends knowing you're online, or maybe you want to know exactly when your bestie is active so you can share that hilarious video? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to control your activity status on TikTok. Let's dive in. So, first and foremost, what is it? TikTok's activity status shows your mutual followers. Those are people you follow who follow you back when you're online or when you're last active. When you're online, a green dot appears on your profile picture. If you're away, they'll see a timestamp of when you were last seen for up to 2 days. So, first, let's open up our TikTok app and let's tap on our profile button in the bottom right corner. Now look at the top right, tap the 3-line menu icon, also known as the hamburger icon. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. And then next, what you want to do is tap on Privacy. Right here, you'll see Activity Status. This setting is actually turned off by default. To let your friends see when you're active, just toggle it on. If you want to go invisible and appear offline, make sure it's toggled off. There are 3 quick things you need to know. You must be 18 years or older to even see this feature. This only works for mutual followers. Strangers can never see your status. If you turn yours off to stay private, you won't be able to see your friends' activity status either, even if they have theirs turned on. One last tip, the green dot might stay visible for a short time after you actually close the app, so it's not always 100% real time, but it's very reliable. And that's it. You can now browse TikTok on your own terms. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and follow for more TikTok tips.